Hi everybody, welcome to Itty Bitty Storytime. I'm glad to see you today. We can't be here at the library, but we can still have story time like this. Keep checking the calendar for more story times. Let's see if our friend Spot is here. Look, Spot's already awake in his basket. Hi Spot, what you got on there? Spot's got something wrapped around. I see. Spot is wearing his winter scarf because it's winter time and we wear winter clothes. Spot, that'll keep you nice and warm. Let's sing our hello song. Hello everybody, how are you? Hello everybody, how are you? Hello everybody, how are you? How are you today? Spot, we have stories today about snowmen. Yeah, I know you like to play in the snow. Spot's wearing his scarf when he plays in the snow. Spot, hop in your basket. I'll show you what I wear. I also wear my gloves when I go outside. I'll put this glove on my left hand and I'll put this glove on my other hand, my right hand. I have to put in my thumb and all my fingers. If you're wearing mittens, your fingers are together. If you're wearing gloves, your fingers are apart. I know a song about that. Ready? Thumb in the thumb place, fingers all together. This is the song we sing in mitten weather. Thumb in the thumb place, fingers all together. This is the song we sing in mitten weather. If you're a snowman, like our friend, Mr. Snowman, you need some things too. You need a hat. Mr. Snowman's wearing a hat. And you need a scarf. Let's give our snowman a red scarf. Let's tie it around so he'll be nice and warm. All right, let's turn it around this way. Do you have a scarf and a hat that you wear for winter weather? There we go, Mr. Snowman. Now you've got your scarf on and your hat. Snowmen also need a carrot for a nose, just like that. And they need some buttons on their shirt. 1, 2, 3, and sometimes 1, 2 buttons for their eyes. Hello, I'm a little snowman. Will you sing my song with me? I'm a little snowman, short and fat. Here is my scarf, here is my hat. When the sun comes out, I melt away. But when it snows, I come back to play. I'm a little snowman, short and fat. Here is my scarf, here is my hat. When the sun comes out, I melt away. But when it snows, I come back to play. See you outside. Here's our story about snow days. Snow Days by Deborah Kervil and Mickey Sato. Can you see the little child on the front? She's wearing a scarf to keep her neck warm and a hat to keep her head warm. And she's got her tongue stuck out to catch a snowflake. Snow days. Let's see what happens on snow days. First snow. Nature's sparkly magic snow. Second snow sticks around, making angels on the ground. Wiggle your legs and wave your arms to make a snow angel. Doggy's playing too. Powder snow, sugar white, blowing flakes of soft white. This little girl is ice skating on the ice, holding Mama and Papa's hand. Nighttime snow, festive glow, world wrapped in silver glow. Frozen snow, shiny hard, snowbank mountains in the yard. I see 1, 2, 3 friends playing in the snow, digging and sliding. Packing snow, best of all. Mittens shape a perfect ball. They're rolling some snowballs to make a snowman. 1, 2, 3 snowballs. Other snow is not so nice. Slush and sleet, hail and ice. That's a cold, cold, blowy snow. Snow is melting, gone away. Robin is ready for spring today. Snow days. Every snow brings some kind of magic. Snow magic. Let's use something from our music basket to make some snow. How about scarves? Do you have your musical scarf? If you don't have a scarf, you can use a towel or a blanket or wave your arms. Let's sing a song and our scarves will be the snow falling. Snow is falling to the ground, to the ground, to the ground. Snow is falling to the ground all around. Nice job. Hold your scarves up again. Let's make that snow fall, fall, fall. Snow is falling to the ground, to the ground, to the ground. Snow is falling to the ground all around. Sometimes it looks like the snowflakes are dancing. Can you wave your arms and make your snowflakes dance? Dance like snowflakes, dance like snowflakes in the air, whirling and twirling, whirling and twirling everywhere, everywhere. Dance like snowflakes, dance like snowflakes in the air, whirling and twirling, whirling and twirling everywhere, everywhere. Yay! Good job with your snowflakes today. If you look out your window, you'll see lots of snowflakes. And maybe you're going to make a snowman. Don't forget, we still have Storytime sacks. Come in and pick up your Storytime sack, and in your sack is a bag with things to make a snowman. You'll find a hat and a scarf and some things for a snowman face. Ready? This is big, big, big. This is small, small, small. This is short, short, short. This is tall, tall, tall. This is fast, fast, fast. This is slow, slow, slow. This is wave, wave, wave. Time to go, go, go. See you next time. Bye.